Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Raju from Smart AI Technologies. Today we will be continuing with our data analysis using Excel. This is part 7. In this we will see some most used features and functions. They are SUMIF, COUNTIF, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match and if condition. So we'll see them one by one. Already we saw if. Anyway, I am considering it again. But we'll see first 5, okay? We already used the 6th function. So we'll check how to use them and how they will be helpful for us for the analysis purpose. So let us start with the concept. Before moving further, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell button so that you will be notified when we come up with new videos. So we make free courses and so many projects videos in our channel. So I think they will be very helpful for you. In this class, first we'll take up SUMIF. What is the syntax of SUMIF and what SUMIF will give to us? For example, here you see equal to SUMIF. SUMIF is the function. So I am writing SUMIF, and after that you need to select which column. So I am selecting here E column. Okay. So I selected the entire range of E column. Then sum, I want this sum. If, what is the condition? Okay, so that's what sum if is. You need to write a condition. What is the condition? The data should be greater than or equal to this much value. If the value inside it, when it is greater than this much, only that value will be summed up. For example, now you see when I click on enter, so this is the summation value of the values which are more than 40 lakh. Yeah, more than 40 lakh. So the data, the value which is more than 40 lakh here, it will be considered and summed up. Otherwise you can do like this. Let us check it smaller than say 8 lakh. Let me take 8 lakh. Then what will happen? This is the summation value of all the elements in this column which are less than 8 lakh. You got it? So this is the way of getting the analysis. So in reality, what is the use of it? So let us say in this company, okay, the company says the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 employees, okay, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, as like level wise, okay. They now want like class 3 people's some salary in the company. So they will give a range. Okay, here they say, okay, I want the some salary which we are providing to the people who are less than 8 lakh. So in that case we need something, okay, we need some analysis, so we use SUMIF in that case. Again, what is COUNTIF and where we can use it, and what is the syntax? COUNTIF syntax is equal to count if. Count the number of some element if it is a condition. What is the condition to count? For example, in the COUNTIF, first you need to give the range. In my case it's B, that is experience. I selected the complete experience. Okay, you need to select the complete experience like this. You need to okay, now I selected the entire V column, and that's a range. In that range, what I want, what is the if condition? If condition is equal to 3. What does this mean? It means I want the count number of people in the company who are having 3-year experience, because I'm selecting experience stuff. So if the company wants the experienced or freshers, they want to know the information about that employee. So they say, for example, they want employees which are more than say 10 years experienced. There are 4 people who are seniors. That means they have more than or equal to 10-year experience. Okay. Exactly 10 year. Okay, so not greater than. Can do here like this. More than 22 candidates are having more than 10 year experience in that company. So exactly 10 year, there are 4 people. So if I remove or lesser than. Okay, so again, if you want for greater than, lesser than, equal to, greater than or lesser than, so you can use like this. Okay, for any SUMIF and COUNTIF, so it's a greater than, it's a lesser than, then equal to, you can use, and you can get the information required. So for that purpose we are using SUMIF and COUNTIF. Again, the most discussed concepts are the next ones: VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Whenever you see any analysis video, they will try to concentrate on these things. They will try to take up only VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP as the most important stuff. So what is the importance of it, and why they are concentrating that much? Is it really that much important, that VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP? Yes, it is. So as name says, vertical lookup. Lookup nothing but search something vertically. Vertical nothing but when the data is like this. Okay, when the data columns are vertical. So when the data is vertical, if you want to look something in that column, you want to search something in that data, where vertical columns are there with the names. So in that case, we use this function. So what is the syntax of it and how to use it? Let us check it out. So syntax for it is VLOOKUP. It's continuous. Okay, VLOOKUP. After that, you need to give a space. This space is, you need to provide a empty cell. For example, if I want to know the salary based on the age, now if I print some age here, automatically salary should be updated. That's what VLOOKUP are used for. So if I am doing it for age and experience, no, sorry, age and salary, if I give age here, it should directly make the changes, salary should come. Or if I automatically give some ID, if I give ID 15, so automatically it should give some information what I needed about that ID candidate. So how it will work is, first you need to give one empty cell, because this empty cell you need to enter the value, maybe ID, maybe age, maybe gender, anything based on what you want to search. So this is a lookup value, you want to see this value. Okay, and table array. So here normally it will be the entire table, this entire table will be selected. If you want to select, you can select like this. Okay, it's already selected, other you want to select it manually. So you selected the entire table. After that, which column are concentrating, which column values it should provide. In my case, fifth. 1 2 3 4 5 salary, I want salary. Okay, so my concentration is salary, and after that I say true or false, it will ask. Okay, so you need to provide a true values, a value true. Okay, either 0 or 1 it will be giving you. For example, approximate or exact match, you can go with approximate. Okay, so now if I enter here, if I enter, I'm getting 2. So now I'll change the ID. So now what I will do is, I will give ID as 5. So what is the salary? So 5, salary is this much. Again I will go and change my ID, saying 19. What is it? And for 19 it is like this. Okay, I think you are getting. So to build the relation, you can make it better or good looking by using some tablified, okay, with colors. Okay, it's fine, you can make visually better. So I just want to discuss everything in a single page, so I kept everything here. Okay, you can create a new page, otherwise here only you can create a table like structure. Okay, and you can insert a small table, then you can do the stuff just like this. When our data is vertical, we are using VLOOKUP. Now when our data is HLOOKUP, then our data is horizontal like this. ID and salary, here columns are horizontal. Row, okay, row is getting values. Okay, the names are given to the rows, not to the columns. So in this case, it now we need HLOOKUP for this stuff. So HLOOKUP also will also act like a VLOOKUP, but here the main change is that the data and the column, the IDs are the names given to the rows instead of columns. So now we need to first give some empty cell. Here I am giving this empty cell. Okay, so after that you need to select the data. I am going to select this entire data here. This is my data, and after that, which row? 1 2, I need salary. So then exact match, approximate. Okay, so true I am giving. Now what will happen is, for example, if I provide id as 3, what it should give me? It should give this as a salary. If I give 2, so this is our salary. Is it fine? So this is a way of using HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP to look data or required data in given data set or given Excel sheet. This is a searching function, we can say. Okay? You need to search for the particular element, and it is faster. Okay, it will work faster, and it will reduce the time of consumption, and whenever your data set is very used, it will be very helpful. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP are very helpful for you in that case. And then index. So how to find the index? For example, C1 to F36. Again, I'm trying to select this data. Okay, in that data, what I want? Row number. Okay, 20th row number. Okay, then column number. Row number and column number, where they meet? 20th row. Okay, oh sorry, 20th row, where they meet. What is the value? 714. This data. So this data will be fetched. Okay, so this is how we are using SUMIF, COUNTIF, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match. If you watch our video till now, don't forget to click on subscribe and click on the bell button so that you will be notified when we come up with the next video. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next class.